Hi, my name is Steven de Wever. In this Show Me Do series I will talk about Java2Script or G2S. Java2Script is a Java-based framework which works in Eclipse and which basically converts SWT code, Java code, to JavaScript in your web browser. Now, to start right off, I will show you what you may expect that G2S will do for you. Going to load a demo on their website. And basically this demo is the result compilation of an Eclipse example project which has been compiled from Java to JavaScript and which is now running in my browser. So we've got buttons, checkboxes, radio boxes, all kinds of different widgets, and this is basically an Eclipse example application that shows all the widgets that are available in SWT. And these things just works the same in JavaScript in your browser thanks to G2S, which converted the Java to JavaScript. I can change all kinds of settings, like change the button types, can increase the size. So again, all this logic has been developed as a sample application in Java using the SWT windowing framework, which is the basis of Eclipse, and it's been converted to JavaScript. I can change the font into something more interesting, Courier, for example. Although noticeable difference. But I can change the color as well. Remember, this is JavaScript you're seeing. So I want my text to be greenish. Oh, that's the background, in fact. And my text then should be something with a little bit of contrast. Maybe some orange. Well, that's more or less orange. Okay. So if you click on one of the other tabs in this application, then G2S will load this screen for you. And again, you can choose, use these widgets in any way you like, and change the style. So in short, Java2Script or G2S is a framework that converts Java and SWT code to JavaScript and allows it to run in your browser. Now there are a couple of limitations you should take into account, and probably the most important one is the fact that, as you saw at the start of this demo, that loading the JavaScript takes quite some time, and the bigger your application becomes, the longer it will take to load. This basically means that G2S is very well suited for complicated applications that you want to run in your browser. For example, if you want to build some administration GUI, it's probably going to be much simpler to build that right away in SWT and have it converted to JavaScript than having to write your own HTML pages and controllers and so forth. Because the response of this JavaScript application is much more intuitive than any HTML application could be. And on top of that, you will not write a single line of JavaScript code in your application. Your application will actually be written in Java. But of course, because it takes so long to load this application, G2S is not well suited for any content that you want to show to a lot of visitors. So it's really very specific to some administration pages or maybe some intranet application and so forth. So in this first installment of the G2S series on Show Me Do, I've demonstrated what G2S does for you. You can find out more on the webpage G2S.sourceforge.net, and you can also look at the documentation. And here you will find some demo application like Hello World application, and in the next part of this series I will show you how to set up your Eclipse for G2S and how to create this Hello World application. But in the meanwhile, I will already show how it works by running the online demo. Because G2S produces JavaScript, you can run your applications right away in your browser, so you don't really need a server. So this is the result, the execution of the JavaScript. That's it for now. Until next time.